Hi everyone, I'm here with WhiteSmile teeth today. So a quick review on this product. It's very affordable, and not only is it affordable, it works really quick. After like the first 3 days of me using this product, I noticed a difference in my teeth. And so did my friends. Like right away, people were walking up to me telling me that my teeth looked whiter, and that's something as people that we want. We want something that works quick and makes us confident in our smile. So in this kit, there's the gel, there's the actual teeth thing, and there's two colors. There's the blue and the red. And the blue is what makes your teeth whiter, and the red is what cleans out the bacteria almost. So not only is your teeth getting whiter using this product, but it's getting cleaner too. So I definitely recommend getting this product, and it's easy to travel with considering all you need is really those two things and the charger, and they give you a nice little pouch that you can travel with. So it's very affordable, it works quick, you can take it anywhere. I use it every single day, and my teeth have been continuing to get whiter, and there's not one thing that I don't like about this product, so I definitely recommend getting it, and you won't regret it.